Hey guys, Beth at Yoga Lattes London here. So how to make your very own yoga mat cleaner? Well, first of all, you're going to need one small spray bottle, an empty spray bottle. You're going to need some distilled or spring water, some non-alcoholic witch hazel, or you can use white vinegar as well, works perfectly fine. And then some essential oil. So you need one with cleansing properties, so like tea tree, or you can use eucalyptus as well, and one with aromatherapy properties, so like lavender or a really nice scent that will make you want to come to the yoga mat every morning. So grab your bottle, you're going to fill it 3/4 full of water, 1/4 full of the witch hazel or the vinegar, and then you're going to pop a few drops of the tea tree and a few drops of the lavender or whatever essential oils you've got, and then we're going to spray it on and then wipe it in, and then you're ready to go.